Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English language. Today I will arrange a test, okay? And these sentences have been taken from previous 5 videos. So from previous 5 videos, I will put about 20 sentences, okay? Which let's see, are you able to translate these sentences or not? So I will put one Hindi sentence and then I will take a pause, okay? And then I will translate the sentence, okay? In this way, I will complete the video, okay? So let's test ourselves, okay? So we are arranging a test, okay? Test your English by this, okay? And if you learn something from this video, okay, you can support me via subscribing this channel, okay? So it's a new channel, okay? And so you can subscribe the channel. So let's start with the very first sentence we have. The sentence is मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. अब इसको ट्रांसलेट करो. Okay, translate this sentence into English. मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है. What will you say for this sentence? We will say I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. Okay, I am having a good day. I'm having a good day. Okay, I'm having a good day. Okay, now next sentence is कार होना मेरी जिंदगी मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है. ओके, कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है मतलब दिल की इच्छा है. सो व्हाट इज द ट्रांसलेशन फॉर दिस सेंटेंस? कार होना मेरी दिल्ली इच्छा है. फॉर दिस सेंटेंस वी विल से टू हैव अ कार. टू हैव अ कार is my wholehearted will. Is my wholehearted will. Okay, to have a car is my wholehearted will. Okay, कार होना मेरी दिल की इच्छा है. ओके, लगता है उसके पास पेन है. ओके, लगता है उसके पास पेन है. What will be the translation? Let me know. Okay, the sentence is लगता है उसके पास पेन है. लगता है उसके पास पेन है. So we will say he seems to have a pen. 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 Okay, it is that simple. Okay, just memorize each sentence and use it in your daily life. Okay, if you are not able to translate these sentences by yourself, then you can go and watch previous video. Okay, and then you will be able to translate. Okay, you will be able to translate these sentences. So go and watch the previous video. Okay, now let's move on the next one. मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है. मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है. मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है. For this one, we will say I am having a good time. I am having a good time. Okay, I am having a good time. I'm having a good time. Okay, राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. So what will you say? राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. For this one, we will say Rahul is having to think. Rahul is having to think. Rahul is having to think. राहुल इज हैविंग टू थिंक. राहुल इज हैविंग टू थिंक. राहुल को सोचना पड़ रहा है. ओके. If you are not able to translate these sentence, then you can watch the previous video. Okay. Or you can watch 30 46th video. Okay. These sentences uh, have been taken from 46th video. Okay. So you can go and watch the video if you are not able to translate these sentence. Okay. Now let's move on the next one. ऐसा घर मेरे पास हो मेरा सपना था. ऐसा घर मेरे पास हो मेरा सपना था. For this one, what will you say? ऐसा घर मेरे पास हो मेरा सपना था. To have, we will say to have such a house was my dream. Okay. To have such a house was my dream. ऐसा घर होना मेरा सपना था. To have such a house was my dream. Okay. इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ. Okay. So this is the interesting one. So you can translate this, or if you are not, then you can memorize this sentence. Okay. The sentence is इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ. इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ. So what will be the translation? इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ. We will say having said that I love you. Okay. Having said that I love you. Having said that, इसके बावजूद भी मैं तुम्हें चाहता हूँ. Having said that I love you. Okay. राहुल के पास शायद पैसे ना हो. राहुल के पास शायद पैसे ना हो. For this one we will say, okay, translate the sentence. राहुल के पास शायद पैसे ना हो. For this one we will say Rahul may not have money. Okay. Rahul may not have money. Rahul may not have money. Rahul may not have money. राहुल के पास शायद पैसे ना हो. Or we can say Rahul might not have money. Okay. Or okay, these two sentences are the most useful that you can use. Okay. Rahul might not have money, or Rahul may not have money. Okay. So these two sentences are good one. Okay. So you can use and learn this sentence. Now let's move on the next one. तुम्हें पाना मेरी जिंदगी की दिल्ली ख्वाहिश रहेगी. तुम्हें पाना मेरी जिंदगी की दिल्ली ख्वाहिश रहेगी. For this one we will say to have you. क्या कहेंगे? To have you. To have you in my life. In my life will remain my wholehearted will. Will remain. Will remain my wholehearted will. Will. Okay. To have you in my life. Okay. Will remain my wholehearted will. पैसा होना अच्छी बात है पर घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए। पैसा होना अच्छी बात है पर घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए। So, can you tell me what is the translation for this one? पैसा होना अच्छी बात है पर घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए। For this one, we will say to have money, okay, or having money is good. To have money is good, okay, but there should not be arrogance. There should should not be arrogance. Okay, to have money is good, but there should not be arrogance, or we can say having money is good, but there should not be arrogance. Okay, you can use both one. Okay, according to your comfort. Okay, now let's move on the next one. Okay, if you're finding any difficulty, then for these sentences you can watch 47th video. Okay, okay, DUS 47. Okay, if you are having any difficulty. Okay, now let's move on the next one. The next sentence is ये काम किया जाना है। ये काम किया जाना है। ओके, ये काम किया जाना है। दिस वर्क दिस वर्क इज टू बी डन इज टू बी डन दिस वर्क इज टू बी डन दिस वर्क इज टू बी डन। ओके, ये काम किया जाना है। ठीक है, रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। फॉर दिस वन वी विल से ओके, use your own brain and try to translate these sentence. Okay, okay, uh, it will be your practice. Okay, so रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। क्या कहोगे? रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। We will say रोहित was being beaten. Okay, रोहित was being beaten. रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। रोहित was being beaten. Okay, वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है। वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है। For this one we will say क्या कहोगे? वो दिल्ली में कभी नहीं रहा है। We will say he has never. He has never been in Delhi. Okay, he has never been in Delhi. Or we will say, we can say he has never lived in Delhi. Okay, he has never lived in Delhi. Oh, okay. But this is the most useful sentence. Then you can use this sentence. Okay, he has never been in Delhi. Been in Delhi. Raha hai. Been in Delhi. Okay. Now let's move on the next one. हमें खुश किया जा रहा है। हमें खुश किया जा रहा है। वी विल से वी हमें खुश किया जा रहा है। ओके, वी आर बीइंग मेड हैप्पी। वी आर बीइंग मेड हैप्पी। वी आर बीइंग मेड हैप्पी। ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट वन। कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जानी है। कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जानी है। फॉर दिस वन वी विल से ओके, क्या कहेंगे? वी विल से द बिल्डिंग ओके, कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जानी है। द बिल्डिंग वॉज सेड टू सेड टू बी constructed. Okay, the building was said to be constructed. Okay, the building was said to be constructed. The building was said to be constructed. Okay, कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जानी है। The building was said to be constructed. The building was said to be constructed. Okay, कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जा चुकी है। कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जा चुकी है। Okay, for this one we will say the building was said to have been constructed. Okay, the building was said to have been constructed. The building was said to have been constructed. Okay, the building was said to have been constructed. कहा गया कि बिल्डिंग बनाई जा चुकी है। ओके, वो मेरे पिटने के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। वो मेरे पिटने के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। सो हाउ विल यू ट्रांसलेट दिस वन? वो मेरे पिटने के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। सो वी विल से दे वर talking about my being bitten. Okay, they were talking about my being bitten. Okay, they were talking about. Okay, they were talking about my my being bitten. They were talking about my being bitten. They were talking about my being bitten. Okay, वो मेरे पीटने के बारे में बात कर रहे थे। They were talking about my being bitten. Okay, now let's move on the next one. The next sentence is पकड़े जाने के डर से वो डरा हुआ था। पकड़े जाने के डर से वो डरा हुआ था। We will say he was scared. He was scared of being caught. Okay, he was scared. He was scared of being caught. He was scared of being caught. He was scared of being caught. वो पकड़े जाने के डर से डरा हुआ था। He was scared of being caught. He was scared of being caught. Okay, repeat the sentence. Okay, as much as you can. This will help you to memorize this sentence, and it will be easier for you to uh, use the sentence. Okay, so repeat the sentence as much as you can. Okay, now let's move on the next one. युद्ध में मारे जाने की क्या संभावना है? युद्ध में मारे जाने की क्या संभावना है? ओके, व्हाट इज द चांस ऑफ बीइंग किल्ड इन द वॉर? ओके, क्या कहेंगे? व्हाट इज द चांस ऑफ, वी विल से व्हाट इज द चांस of being killed, okay, being killed in the war. Okay, what is the possibility of being killed in the war? Okay, so now I have completed all the sentences. Hope you like this video. If you, then you can like, share and subscribe this video. Okay, it's we are practicing these sentences in order to be fluent in English. Okay, so if you want to fluent in English, then you can join this channel. Okay, make the environment of of English. Okay, and try to practice these sentences. Okay, okay, you can subscribe the channel, okay, which is related to English. Okay, that will help you a lot to improve your English. Okay, and try to follow the steps which is related to learning English. Okay, so this is the point that I want to mention. And if you Want to enhance your English, then you can subscribe this channel. Okay, don't forget it. This is very important for me and for everyone. Okay, and so that is all for today. Keep learning and keep getting better. Okay, so I will get back to you soon with a new video. Okay, so till then, keep learning and keep getting better.